on a magical adventure! Are you ready to explore with me? Let's learn!
Come with Tiko, 1, 2, 3. Candy factory, come and see. Magic doors swing open wide.
Let's clap
Sweet
together.
surprises wait inside.
Now let's jump!
Round lollipops spin around.
Can you spin around?
Rainbow colors all around.
Wave to all your friends!
Red and yellow, blue and green. Prettiest streets we've ever seen.
Candy, candy, yum, yum, yay.
Let's jump!
Dance and clap along today. Swirl around and laugh with me.
1, 2,
Twirl around and laugh with
4,
me.
5,
Tico's Candy
6, 7,
Factory.
8,
Tico's
9,
Candy Factory.
10. No, you hey, Merk Lang.
Gummy bears bounce up so high, waving hello as they fly.
Wow, look at all the
Purple,
glowing
orange,
stars.
pink, so bright.
I got
Dancing
one.
in the morning light.
Catch that candy gem.
Jelly beans go
Let's
hop,
collect
hop,
them all.
roll until they gently stop. Count them all from 1 to 10. Let's count together once again. Candy, candy, yum, yum, yay. Dance
Look at
and
it
clap
go.
along today.
Wow, it's so
Twirl
big.
around and
This is
laugh
so much
sweet.
fun.
Every candy
This is
a
delicious.
treat. Cotton candy flowing slow.
Welcome to the
Like
Candy
Tico's
Factory.
Soft and fluffy,
Let's share the
light
sweets
as
with
air.
everyone.
Sweet surprises everywhere. Candy train goes choo choo choo. Fun will never ever end.
Share a smile and happy play. Let's have fun the candy way. See you soon for songs and play. With Tiko Panda every day.